¡La migra! ¡Corre, güey!
Go, get him, Hey!
Hello guys, I'm Officer Bedoya. I'm with the Border Patrol and Customs, and currently you guys are being detained for illegal entry to
Hey,
the...
sir, no speaking in English, no.
Oh, you guys don't speak English? Okay, let me see if I have a little Spanish in me. Tacos. Hola señores, yo soy el oficial Bedoya, yo estoy con Border Patrol and Customs y ustedes están detenidos ahorita por entrar.
Hey, what the fuck is going on here?
Yes, and you are, sir?
I'm the boss here. Hey, let me talk to you real quick. Let me talk to you. Come over here.
Yeah, sure. Okay, muchachos, no se muevan. Voy a hablar con su jefe y no se muevan porque mi perro se muerde, okay?
Hey, man, what the fuck is going on?